Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson, we're drawing Spider-Man from a brand new day. So you want to start in the center of the page with the eyes. So let's leave a gap in the center. We start with the eye on the left. From the inside, we're going to bend this up and then out towards the top with a slight curve. Let's line this up over on the right side, leaving a small gap. Do the same thing, going up and then out towards the same height. Now I want to draw in the bottom of the eye. Let's start back on the top left. You want to bring the eye coming down a little bit lower and that point on the inside, and then curl that back up. Let's draw that same shape on the right. Coming down towards the same height, go around, and then up. Now I want to have that thick trim around the eyes. So from this point on the left, step in, trace that curve, going thicker as you go up towards the top. So you see the gap gets wider. Do the exact same thing on the right. Going up, and then out. Now on the end, it's going to add a point, curling this up towards the top. Now I'm going to trace the eye along the bottom. So start with the side, coming down, come around, and then up towards the inside point. Let's fill that inside trim in black. Now with the eyes in place, we want to work our way around the head. So let's start with the bottom half. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step over, curl this down, come in towards the chin, go around, and then up towards the right. Now let's draw on the top half. Starting back on the left, continue that curve, going around the eyes, go up and in. I want to round up the head, come across, and then back down on the right. Now we're going to come back and add the stripes in after we've drawn in the body. So let's start with the sides. Starting on the left side, leaving a gap underneath the head, bend the body, going out and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. And then from the hips, I want to bend this in and then down towards a center point. From that center point, let's step down, add a curve, going up and then down. And we're going to leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And then you want to curve the bottom of the feet. So let's start from the left heel. We're going to bend this down and then up on either side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. We're going to draw a half circle going up, and we'll bend this down aiming towards the heel, but we want to leave a small gap on the inside. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. From here, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. Now I want to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So we're going to start the arm right here, bend this out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Now I'm going to close off the end with a small bracket and do the same thing on the right. We're going to add 3 fingers on either side. So let's start from the bottom of the thumb. Start with the first finger coming down and up around that bracket. Go to the side, bend the second finger, and then the third finger. You go all the way around, go up, and then bend that in underneath the head. Let's go back down to the bottom of the feet. We're going to add a thick sole. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. From the top of the foot, we step up and add a curve for the edge of the boot. And then line that up on the right. Let's separate the cuff from the thumb, bend this up and then out on both sides. Now we're going to move up about halfway along the inside of the arm, bend this up and then out, leaving a gap on the outside, and then do the same thing on the right. Now from here we're going to curve this up and then in underneath the head. Let's continue this curve, coming down towards the cuff on both sides. Now we're going to add some webbing. Let's start from the outside. From here, bend this up and then down. Then do the same thing on the right. Go up to this point, add another curve. I'm going to add two more, going up the side of the arm. Let's split this area in half with a curve in the middle. And we'll continue the webs coming in, the two curves. Let's add that webbing across the boot. Along the top of the ankle, draw two angled lines coming down on top of the feet. From the top curve of the foot, we're going to bend this out and then down, step in, and then draw that again. Now along the top of the boot, we're going to add three curves, starting from the outside, going up and then down, and then work our way towards the inside of the boot. Let's do the same thing across the front. Starting from the outside, add one curve, go across the middle, and then stretch this all the way across towards the heel. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the body. We're going to curve this in and then down, just on top of the belt. And we'll follow this curve going up and then out. Let's go back up to the top of the body, angle this up and in underneath the head. From the top of the body, let's add another web going up and then out towards the side. Now from the bottom of the chin, we're going to draw a straight line coming down the middle, go all the way down toward that center point. Let's split the left side of the body in half, starting underneath the chin, then it's out, then down, continue down across the belt. Now let's go back to these 2 points. We're going to add a curve, going up and then down towards the middle. Go up halfway across the body, add 2 curves, and then from the top of the body, work our way towards the center and then the right. Let's simplify that spider symbol in the center of the body. We're going to start right here with a curve across the top. From the ends, bend this down and in towards the center of the body. And then we'll fill the inside in black. Let's add 2 sets of legs on either side. From the left, going up and out. Then bend this up and then in. Let's add that second set. Go back to the inside, angle this further out, hook this up and then in toward the top. And then we're going to draw the bottom set of the legs. Start with the inside, angle this down and out, bend this down and in. And then the outside legs going out, bend this down and then in. Now we're going to finish off by adding those webs across the mask. Let's start all the way up towards the top of the head, right in the middle. Draw a straight line coming down in between the eyes. I'm going to stop right about here. And we'll split this off, coming down toward the left and then the right. Let's go above the eyes. We're going to add another curve, going up and then out. Let's go to the inside of the eyes, add a web going out and then down towards the chin. Underneath the eyes, angle down and out. And then from the side of the eyes, going straight out. Now I want to add the webs going across. Let's start right in the middle on the bottom, curves down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's move up, add another set, coming down and then up toward the left and right. Then it's down and out in behind the eyes. We're going to add one more set along the top, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to add 2 more rows across the bottom, starting right here. And this up and then down. Go underneath the eyes. Let's add one more across the bottom. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Spider-Man from a brand new day. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.